Yo, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video, and today in this video I'm gonna discuss the BeReal application with you. This thing is on the top, it's crushing it. Everybody's been talking about it on Reddit, on forums, and everybody is like discussing this thing because this ideology of this app is really good, where you have like where you have to post once a day and you have only 2 minutes to capture whatever you are gonna capture. So basically here it's gonna take two pictures, one with the back camera and one with the front, of what you are doing and yourself in that scene. Bunch of people like it, and there's also this feature where you can just share that thing, the picture that you took, with the world, or with everyone, or just with your friends. So yeah, and the best part about it is you can't fake it, because the notification just pops up randomly at once a day, and then you just have 2 minutes to post a picture without any filters. It's really the thing that people love about it, is because you don't have to put any filter and stuff. Everybody's being real, like just the name of this application. And you post this thing and you can share with people, and the best part about it is this thing on the picture. You can see on the bottom right corner there is this smiling face. If you click on it, you'll get these emojis. Basically, these are called the real emojis, and these real emojis are like the way you react to these pictures, but more like the Instagram thing are bitmojis. But here you use your real picture. You have to use your real picture to you know uh, your real picture dedicated to one of these emojis. So let's suppose you want to do a laughing real emoji. You will click on it and it'll ask you to take a picture that way, and that way you can just uh, react to that picture. So whenever you do a laughing emoji, it's going to use that real emoji to show the reaction. So this is how it works. It's about being real, and without faking it. And you'll have 2 minutes to post your picture and stuff, and share with your friend, and people can react to your posts with their themselves, being themselves, with the real emoji thing, where it'll be their own picture and them reacting to your post. And then that's pretty much it. And other than that, there is this feature where every real emoji you make, if you go to your profile, you'll get them here in the memories section of the last 14 days. And if you click on view all memories, it's going to show you the whole year and everything you have done throughout it. So mine is showing September and October. I haven't used my phone so much in this time, so I have only two memories of on my BeReal. So yeah, this is how you gonna use this app, and this is how basically the ideology of this app is. So I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you in the next one. Peace.